We're in beautiful South Dakota, a state not many people talk about, in my finest shorts and Crocs. Enjoying some delicious Jefferson vanilla ice cream. Getting ready to go fish in South Dakota.
Let's boogie into the Badlands. Ready to get stinky and catch some fish. The premiere of Madam Stinky, there she is. We had a great time in the Badlands, but it was time to fish. And off we went. Erica was a little tired from the first day of hiking, so I went over to Canyon Lake. Trying to catch my first trout after all. This little stinker robbed me. What a criminal. So we headed to the Needles Highway. Saw these big old dogs or deer, whatever they were. And went to Sylvan Lake.
Oh my god.
What?
My handle's gone.
Fish
yet? Not yet. I actually lost my reel handle. Oh, no. Just walking out here, I'm like, oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Spirits were low after I lost my reel handle.
I'm so sorry, hon. I feel bad.
Why?
Think I'd catch anything, but we'd try.
You did not get something already.
Yep.
Are you serious?
Look at that.
Yep.
Erica's delay.
That's
Love that.
I lost my reel handle when I was bringing my rod out here.
You got to pay back for it,
Right?
I'm glad I still took a swing without a reel handle.
Oh!
But no dice. I flew too close to the sun, getting confident. But we weren't done.
Can you give me that net, Erica?
I was just getting started. Crouched down, all focused. First one, first trout. No idea if he's any good?
Uh-huh. Well,
Let me know. Leave that in the comments, because I don't know anything about trout. Starting to get dialed in a little bit.
Get away from that rock.
This little scoundrel tried to tear me off in the rocks. Look at me struggle with this net. I have no idea what I'm doing. Got him. I gave Erica the rod.
You got him?
I feel something.
Do you feel it?
Yep, I've got it.
See those powerful
Coming
hook
under you.
sets?
Erica!
Little guy.
We love all fish regardless of size.
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm selfish, so I took the rod
Another
back.
one?
Oh, hey!
What?
New species alert.
Oh, yeah?
Brook trout.
Brook trout.
Get over here.
Fish.
Sure did.
That's what's up, bro.
That is what's up, bro.
I knew someone was playing with it.
I didn't know. Fishing in this mountain environment, in this strange lake with people just walking the park. It was free park weekend, so it was Pretty crowded. But what a cool experience.
Yeah, a little bit of a fight there in him for a second.
A rainbow?
Mm-hmm.
That's right, another rainbow. Off we went. I was done with day one. Now I have a full day to fish, and I'm at Center Lake, and just saw tons of trout cruising, but none of them would bite. So I pet this donkey, decided I had to get back to Sylvan Lake. Time to beat on some fish again. I'm really glad I brought my ultralight. Hey, a bigger trout. Brook trout, I think? I don't know, I could be wrong. Tell me if I am, but don't yell at me. Oh, he's handsome. I realized I'm hook setting trout like a musky guy from Wisconsin. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to do it, especially on an ultralight with 3-pound test, but it was working. I love fishing this TFO ultralight. It maxes out at about 3/8 of an ounce, so everything's kind of a fight. Oh, I'm so graceful with these trout. Look at that rod bend. That's good old fun. Now that's a feisty fish. Swim away. I just kept ripping them. The weird thing was, a lot of people weren't catching fish. And I don't get it. I just walked up to the first guy I saw catching fish.
Get over here.
Saw what he was doing and copied it.
Oh, it'll jump.
I was just throwing night crawlers on the bottom. I've never caught a trout, so I was just trying to catch as many as I can.
Behave yourself, mister.
Look at this guy. I just kept giving him the beans, catching as many as I could. Like I said, I have no idea if any of these are good sized or anything, but I figured that was enough, so There's a lot of lakes I wanted to cover, and I left Sylvan and headed to Pactola, but it was too windy to fish. That's when I headed to Horse Thief Lake. There used to be horse thieves here, and it's right under Mount Rushmore. I actually stole a horse when I was down here. And I caught my first one on a spinner. And did it again. Which is a cool place to fish. But Madam Stinky wanted to fish.
Oh, I think your line is tangled around your rod.
Oh, no, it is the rod.
Oh, it's still on there though. It's okay. If you reel it in, it's fine. I see what's going on here. It's a 3-piece rod. I didn't put it in tight enough. That's on me.
Is it going?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
It was on me.
You can see Mount Rushmore.
Honestly, if you have the time, this is an awesome place to check out. If you're a trout snob, maybe it's not for you, because a lot of them are stocked. But if you like exploring new places, want to get into the mountains, see some bison, and catch some fish in some mountain lakes, this is an amazing trip to do in the Midwest. I really appreciate you watching, and if you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe, but no pressure. Tight lines, go catch some fish.